Hello, this is Miss Janet with JLS Success Central, and welcome to my channel. We are a DIY resource center created to empower you, the individual who's working on building your personal finances. And if you're working on building your personal finances, 9 chances out of 10, you are working on building your credit scores, because we know your credit scores are a strong indicator of your financial well-being. Over the next few weeks, we're going to be dropping videos with credit card information for creditors or banks that extend credit to individuals with scores under 620. Of course, there will be secured cards, there will be installment loans, there will be a soft pulls, there will be pre-qualification, there will be a multiplicity of opportunities for you to obtain credit cards. Now, that does not mean you have to apply for all of them, but pick one or two of them and ones that'll work for you and build your credit from there. But before we do that, we need to do some housekeeping. We need to take care of first things first. And what I want to know is, why don't we make every payment count? Well, what are you talking about, Miss Janet? Why don't we make every payment count? Well, I'm talking about, why doesn't our cell phone bill payment count? Why doesn't our electric and our gas and our water and our auto insurance, things that we pay month after month after month, we do not get credit for on our credit report? Well, things have changed. Of course they've changed. With the advent of Experian Boost, well, the doors are opening wider for us. So before you take advantage of the credit card opportunities and start applying for cards, let's just take care of something you can take care of right now. So today's video is about eCredible Lift. eCredible Lift. I'm sure you've heard of it before. It's been around for maybe a year or so, maybe two. And it is Experience Boost. It is to what Boost is to Experian. That's what eCredible Lift is to TransUnion. Yeah. So up until now, there was no company that was reporting your utilities, our utilities, and our payments like that to TransUnion. So now, of course, everybody's heard of Experian Boost. It's all on the television, it's on the blogs, it's all on YouTube. So we all know about Experian Boost, right? But Boost only reports to Experian. So now we can have two. You can have Experian Boost and you can have TransUnion eCredible Lift. That's right. That's right. Now, only with eCredible Lift can you file and report your utility and phone payments to TransUnion. You get the credit you deserve for paying your utility bills on time. You qualify for better credit cards and personal bills. It just works for you. It just works for you. You can link an unlimited amount of utility bills. You know what? You pick the ones that you want to link, and they report up to 24 months history. So that's sort of like a trade line with history, right? So maybe you might have some that have 24 months, and then you might have one or two that, you only got it together in the last year and a half. It might have 6 to 12 months good payment history. Well, you report that. You determine what you want reflected on your credit report as it pertains to these type of bills. So that is an incredible opportunity. And you know what? This is a game changer here, because I get to pick what I want to put on my credit. I'm going to put my best foot forward. as you should as well. Let's look at the pricing. The pricing. Here we go again. Get credit for paying your utility and phone bills with eCredible Lift. You automatically report payments to Transunion. You link an unlimited number of utility accounts. You lift your FICO Score 8 and Vantage Score 3.0 in just a few days. You get the credit you deserve for paying utility bills. And this is $24.95 per year. So when you apply or when you register, they immediately take the $24.95. And then every year thereafter, on the anniversary date, they take the $24.95. Now, you can cancel anytime you want, but why would you want to? You know, these are trade lines that are continuously, you're going to keep paying them on time, and they're going to keep reporting. And something else is good about this. When you when you register with eCredible Lift, you also have access to a marketplace of credit card companies who want to, and lenders who want to do business with eCredible clients. That's you. They want to do business with Incredible You because they know what you're about. They know what you're doing. And these particular lenders, more than likely, they use the FICO Score 8 and Vantage Score 3.0 provided by Transunion. So that's a plus, and a plus. And like I said, you get up to 24-month payment history. You know, it just does not get any better than that. It just doesn't get any better than that. Let me show you some examples. Credit score impact. Here we go again. Make every payment count. Make every payment count. You know, it's like making your money work for you. You know, when we talk about budgeting, you make every dollar count. Every dollar works for you. You don't let money just fly away and you don't know what you spent your money on. We don't do that anymore. Well, the same thing with our credit. We're going to make every payment that we make count. And if it takes going to eCredible, Lift to get these payments on Transunion, so be it. I had someone tell me, I don't know why people think just reporting utility bills is going to make a difference in their credit. Well, you know what? This is forward movement. This is going higher and higher and higher. Whatever you do to lift your score is a plus. So I say go for it. You have absolutely nothing to lose. You have everything to win. So let's look at some of the examples. Okay. I'm pretty sure I told you that credit card companies, and you know this, not credit card companies, but utility companies do not report your good payment history, but miss a payment. Or don't pay them and see what happened. They'll report just like that. Okay? Well, we want them to report just like that on our good payments. So we are going to check out eCredible Lift. Now, here's some examples. I have something right here I want to share with you. Your credit is unique as your DNA. So there are too many variations to try to explain how utility payments will make your credit score. How to make it go up or what it'll do to it exactly. So I'm going to show you some of the variations. Okay? All these right here. And I'm going to put the link of this website in my comments below so you can peruse the site, check your time and review it. But here's the credit builders for those of you who are building your credit. But I want to get to the credit rebuilders, people who have stumbled with a late payment or 2 or 3 or 4, whatever the case may be. but I want to show you how, as I was saying, there's variations. So you just don't know how it's going to turn out. Let's look at this first one. I didn't even know I had a credit report. I never had any credit or loan in my name, but I had a medical emergency that I couldn't pay for, and they sent the bill to collections. So her Vantage score was 479. Well, with one utility, it went up to 581. Two utilities, 589. Three utilities, 609. A 129-point lift. Pretty good, huh? But it's not the same in all situations. Here's another one. I just started building my credit, but I missed the payment. I finally got a credit card 5 months ago, but I missed the payment a few months ago, and I used too much of my credit limit. 80% of it. Well, your utilization is just way too high. You drop your utilization, your score will skyrocket for one. Let's look at hers or his. One utility bill, 518. Two utility bills took it to 586. Three utility bills, 597. 152-point lift. Not bad. We're going to skip this next one and go to this one. Now, this is the one right here. I lost my job, missed several payments. I have a lot of credit, but I've been late 3 times in the last 3 months, and I'm sure I'm using more than 90% of my available credit. Here we go again. Number one, the credit utilization is too high. Drop the credit utilization, and your score will increase just on that alone. Now, the 3 late payments, you've been late 3 times in 3 months, you have to talk to your creditor to see what they can do about that, about those, about the late payments being reported. But even if they don't come off, there's things that you can do. Number one, like I said, drop your utilization, and that'll make a difference. So look, one utility bill, 571. Two utility bills, 574. 3 utility bills, 576. Only a 7-point lift. That's because there was so much going on over here. So much going on. But like I said, that 90% utilization, drop that, and that will make a difference. So you have your e-credible lift reporting, and you take advantage of the credit card offers that we're going to provide you. You pick a couple, and you use those to pay these particular utility bills. So what's going to happen? You're going to get your e-credible lift reporting to Transunion. Your 2 credit cards are going to be reporting to Transunion, and your scores are going to go up. And again, incredible, your utility bills, they are a trade line with history. And history makes up 35% of your credit score. So why not? Why not go for it? Hey, if this is the kind of information that you like, press the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, because we have a lot more information for you. Also, if you know someone who can use this information, share it with them. Hey, this is Miss Janet with JLS Success Central. And you know what? I'll see you in a couple of days. Grace and peace. Miss Janet out.